Hey dog lovers, ready to take your pup on amazing walks without all the pulling? Today we're going to show you how to teach your dog to walk on a leash like a pro. Whether you've got a little puppy or an older dog who needs a refresher, we've got all the tips and tricks to make leash training fun and easy. But before we start, welcome to Pawsome Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How's leash training going for you and your pup? Let us know in the comments. Or, if you have any leash training tips or questions, we'd love to hear from you. Now let's get started. Training your puppy to walk on a leash can be fun and rewarding. Here's an easy step-by-step guide to help you and your pup get it right. Step 1. Start indoors. Before heading outside, let's begin where your puppy feels safe, inside. Introduce the leash and collar. Let your puppy sniff and get used to the leash and collar. Make it feel like part of the furniture, not something to be scared of. Put on the collar. Put the collar on your puppy for short periods and give them treats so they associate it with positive things. Make sure it's snug but not too tight, just enough that you can fit 2 fingers under it. Attach the leash. Clip on the leash and let your pup walk around the house dragging it behind them. This helps them get used to the feeling without any pressure. Pro tip. Make it fun. Give your puppy lots of praise and treats for staying calm while wearing the leash. Step 2. Practice walking indoors. Once your puppy is comfy with the leash, practice walking around inside. Hold the leash. Gently hold the leash and encourage your puppy to walk alongside you. Use a happy voice and lure them with treats or toys to keep them close. Use cues. Start saying things like, "Let's go," when you want them to walk. They'll start to connect the words with the action of moving forward. Praise good behavior. Whenever they walk nicely without pulling, give them treats or lots of love. This will make them want to do it again. Pro tip. Keep the leash slack, not tight. A tight leash can make your pup feel tense. Step 3. Take it outside. Time for the big moment. But don't rush to a busy park. Start in your yard or a quiet area. Start slow. Keep the first few walks short, maybe just around the yard or down the block. Let your puppy take in all the new sights and smells. Reward for calm walking. Continue to give treats when your puppy walks beside you without pulling. Keep the pace slow and relaxed. Handle distractions. If your puppy gets distracted by a squirrel or car, stop and redirect their attention back to you with treats or toys. This teaches them to focus on you, not the distractions. Pro tip. Carry super yummy treats, like small pieces of chicken, to keep your puppy's attention on you during walks. Step 4. Teach them not to pull. One of the trickiest parts is teaching your pup not to pull on the leash. Here's how. Stop moving. When your puppy starts pulling, stop walking immediately. This sends the message that pulling won't get them where they want to go. Wait for slack. Once the leash is slack, no tension, start walking again. Repeat this as many times as needed. Your puppy will learn that pulling means the fun stops. Reward when they're close. When your puppy walks beside you without pulling, reward them with treats or praise. They'll soon learn that staying close to you is the best option. Pro tip. Be patient. Puppies are excited and curious, so pulling is normal at first. Keep practicing and they'll get the hang of it. Step 5. Keep the walks fun and positive. Make sure your puppy enjoys walking with you. Mix in play. Take breaks for playtime or sniffing around so your puppy doesn't get bored. Stay consistent. Use the same leash, collar, and commands each time so your puppy knows what to expect. Stay positive. If your puppy gets frustrated or distracted, don't worry. Take a break, give some belly rubs, and try again later. Pro tip. End the walk on a positive note. If your puppy walks nicely for just a few minutes, give them a reward and call it a day. Success breeds success. Step 6. Gradually increase distance and duration. As your puppy gets better at walking on the leash, you can gradually extend the length of your walks and explore new places. Challenge them. Once your puppy is a pro at walking in quiet areas, slowly introduce busier streets or parks. Stay calm. If your puppy gets overwhelmed by a new environment, stay calm and give them time to adjust. Pro tip: always bring treats to reinforce good behavior, no matter how far you go. Bonus tips for leash training. Short training sessions. Puppies have short attention spans, so keep sessions around 10 to 15 minutes long, especially in the beginning. Stay calm and patient. Leash training takes time, so don't get frustrated if your puppy isn't perfect right away. They'll improve with practice. Use a harness if needed. If your puppy pulls a lot, consider using a front clip harness to reduce strain on their neck. Training your puppy to walk on a leash is all about practice and patience. With lots of love, treats, and fun, your pup will be walking beside you like a champ in no time. Enjoy the journey and those daily adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How's leash training going for you and your pup? Let us know in the comments. Or, if you have any leash training tips or questions, we'd love to hear from you. As always, I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.